some black girl magic. Baby hair on fleek.
What's up, y'all? It's your girl Tiyonna B. Welcome back to my channel. So if you haven't noticed, something looks a little bit different. Yeah, so I got my hair straightened. I kind of need to touch up these edges because they looking a little raggedy, but I'll do that tomorrow. So don't pay attention to that because it'll be handled. And when my hair is straightened, I don't like to put too much products on there anyway, because with me having natural hair, like if I was to put too much gel or edge control, it's gonna curl up anyway. But okay, so back to what's important. So these headband wigs, everybody been seeing like all over Instagram, Twitter, like whatever, all social media. And really a headband wig is just like a half wig, but like with a band. I guess normally when you say a half wig, it's always like the really cheap synthetic hair. So I guess the new thing is to use like the good bundle hair, which I think they're like very useful because I'm having like this little bob wig that you guys have seen before. Like I don't like having to make sure like my braids underneath the flat and making sure like the wig is sitting right. Nobody got time for that. So I feel like the headband wigs are just like a really easy grab and go wig. Just lay your edges down, throw the wig on, throw a little band on, and go. So I ended up getting one from Amazon. The price is, I think it was around like $70, but I'm not sure because I didn't pay for it. But yeah, so this video is gonna be really quick and simple. I'm just gonna try this wig on. I've taken out the packaging, but I haven't actually tried the wig on. So we're gonna see how it looks together, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Let me show you guys how it came. Okay, so it came in this little baggie. Then another bag. It don't smell bad, but it smells a little weird. So here are the two little head. How does this go? Oh, so here's the first headband, and then here's the second one. I really don't like either, but I'll still try it on for this video. But I don't really like these patterns. Okay, so here's how the wig came. I don't know, it doesn't, the hair doesn't smell bad. It doesn't smell good, I don't know. Okay, so yeah, so this is how it looks. It's actually, this hair is soft. I was kind of expecting like the hair to not really be that good of a quality. But as you can see, like I'm running my hands through it, no tangles. Very like minimum shedding, just like a few strands of hair, but I'm shocked. Like this hair is really soft. So that's this. I mean it seems like really good quality, and I really want to dye it because it looks too dark for me. We'll see how it looks on camera, but this is how it's constructed. So here's the inside of the cap. It also has 3 combs in the front and 1 at the bottom. And there's like this little Velcro strap here. So let me put this down. And I don't want to add any product to my hair, so I'm not going to gel my edges down. I'm just going to brush my hair back into a ponytail and throw a wig cap on. If I was actually like be wearing this wig, I would lay my edges down, but like I said, I don't want to put too much product on my hair, and I'm about to touch up my edges tomorrow. And I don't want to be straightening my edges, and I got edge control on them. Throw this little wig cap on. Sorry, I'm looking in the mirror. Just slide that back some. I'm just gonna slide it back a little bit first because I don't really know how it's gonna sit on my head, but yeah, let me pull it back some more. I'm gonna put these clips on here. Oh wow. I am shocked. I would pull this back some so you can actually see my edges. Or not pull it back, but the band is this thick. So I would just flip this up. I could really just wear it like this. Honestly, I don't really need the other headbands that they put in there. I'm really shocked. I wish this was longer, but yeah, I'm really shocked. Like, this looks like it could be like my hair. So this is how it looks in the back. The hair is really nice. This is how long it is. So there is like very minimum shedding. Not too bad, but I mean, it is curly hair. I'm shocked. Sugar. Like, it's such good quality. So imagine like if my hair was like, if it wasn't straight, my edges was like a little curly, and I really laid my edges down. This looked like my natural hair. This is cute. And it don't move. This is like the most like comfortable, secure wig that I've ever like put on. You ain't gotta worry about laying no lace down. You ain't gotta worry about making sure no lace not lifting or no wig cap not showing. Like, I'm shocked, like, and it's not going nowhere. Like, wow, this is probably my favorite wig. I'm gonna buy a whole bunch more of these. I want one that's like a really big hair. I think this was only 18-inch water wave. I need something that's like 22. Let me try one of these little bands that they put in my bag. Oh yeah, we don't know. B for beauty on lips. So this is a little band that they put in the bag. I look like I'm 12, but the hair is still cute. Like, I am shocked at how good this looks. Wow, I don't know how to do my hair. And I can even do like a little half up, half down. Cause you can't see the, like, you can't see the tracks on the side. Let me see. I love a good high pony. I feel like they're very like youthful and bouncy. This one a little bit too high. Wow, like, you can do so much with this wig. That's how it looks in the back with the ponytail. see what else I can do. I feel like if I don't have my ponytail in the back and it was like a little bit more smoother, I can do like a regular ponytail with it looking like a little bit more natural. Let me see. You having like a day that you're running errands. Do a little messy bun. So my opinion on this wig, I will honestly give it like a 10 out of 10 because I wasn't expecting it to be like this soft. Like I really was not expecting the quality to be this good. It doesn't like tangle. It does shed just like a tad bit, but nothing like too major, just like a few, it's like what, 2 strands of hair. So it's not nothing big. But yeah, the quality is like way better than what I was expecting it to be. And this wig, like I can see why the whole hype was like this whole hype has been going on, because this wig is so easy to put on. Like for people who are like really beginners when it comes to wigs like me, like you don't have to do anything to your hair but make sure your edge is laid and make sure you can just throw a wig cap on and then plop this on your head. I don't feel like you need this little bangs. I feel like the black looks good too, but I guess when you add the band, it's just to hide the black part and try to make it look a little bit more natural. But yeah, I definitely would recommend this wig. I am going to put the link to this wig in the description box, so make sure you guys check that out. But that's pretty much all for this video. If you liked it, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on your post notifications. Then I'll see you guys in the next video.